Trying to upload an audio file to Google Drive but not sure how? You're not alone. Whether it's a song, a voice memo, or a podcast recording, Google Drive is a great way to store and share audio. But if you've never done it before, it can be a bit confusing. Before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more quick tech how-tos like this. Let's upload your audio file in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in your Drive, click the New button on the top left. From the drop-down, select File Upload. Now find the audio file on your computer, whether it's an MP3, WAV, or M4A, and double-click it. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Once it says Upload Complete, your audio is now in Google Drive. To play it, just double-click the file. It will open in a simple player. To share it, right-click the file, click Share, enter the person's email, or get a shareable link. And that's it. Your audio is uploaded, stored safely in the cloud, and ready to share. If that helped, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more fast and easy tech tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.